What's going on, guys? Joe Hayes here, back with you with another video. Today we are going to be looking inside of a Sega Mega Drive. This is what inside of a Sega Mega Drive looks like. Let me just see the components. If you recognize any of these chips, let me know in the comments below. I would be very interested to know what they are. Some have Sega on. We did have a bit of trouble with this power lead, as you can see there. So my friend that has quite a few of these Mega Drives actually just soldered the wires on to the connector. You used to just plug it in at the back there, and we had problems with it, so we decided to solder it on, and I've actually played it like this for a long time and it's been fine. I did try to get the board out of the unit, but it doesn't seem to want to come out, and I don't want to break it. Let me just see if there's a date on here of when it was made. Doesn't seem to show any dates. If you know when this was made, put it in the comments below. It's kind of hard me trying to read it on the camera, so yeah, I think it's a very interesting piece of kit. Oh, here we go. I know exactly when it was made. 13th of September, is that 1995? If the camera will focus, that looks like the 13th of September 1995, so it's even older than the Addams Family generator I have downstairs, which is in 1999. Very interesting board layout. You don't realise when you're playing such a machine that that is what is inside of it. I do actually have a game. I love this game. Psycho Pinball. When was that made? I play this all the time. Doesn't seem to say. The reason it has my name on the back is because we actually discovered that this actual game here that I have, I don't know whether it's a different version to what my friend has, but on the fast fishing, this one actually gives you the points, and my friend's one, it does not give you the points on the fast fishing. So yeah, this is kind of like a unique game. This was also inside it, which goes on top. I took it off just before the video, But this goes on top like that, with a bunch of screws, and that is the cover. Rather dirty, it needs cleaning, but it is very old, and that is inside the cover. So yeah, a very old piece of kit, but it still works in 2020. And that's the original Sega power supply. if a camera wants to focus. There we go. Obviously we're in the UK, so we have the 3-pin plug. In the USA, I think they have, yeah, they have the 2-pin. They don't seem to have them in America. I don't know why. I wish this camera would focus. Well, anyway, it's it just says caution for indoor use only. So, yeah, I'm gonna put this back together now. So don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, share the video, and I will catch you guys in the next video. Leave some comments down below suggesting what videos you want to see, because I've actually run out of ideas now. This is the last one I know I didn't cover. I know I still have the Addams Family one to do with the shock handles, so look out for that. But let me know in the comments what you want, videos you want me to do, and I'll catch you in the next one.